It's very difficult to stay focused these days because everything in the world right now is calling for your attention. Everything wants to distract you. You can't go on social media and you want to focus on something. You are going to be distracted. I'm very sure of that. I've also realized that, these days you set your mind to do something. Maybe you want to learn a skill, and 2 weeks, 3 weeks into that skill, something else is calling your attention. Saying, you come and make money here. If you do this, you do that. I remember when I was learning software engineering, it was just software engineering. But these days, you are learning software engineering, and then AI is calling you. Digital marketing is calling you. Training, this thing is calling you. So this age is for those who are able to stay focused. And if you are going to get anything achieved in this age, in this generation, in this time, it calls for serious focus.